So this is a demo on Kubeshift. It's a Python library with Kubernetes and OpenShift. You communicate to the backend API on both providers. So to install it, you can either git clone or install it via pip. So for example, I'm going to do sudo pip install Kubeshift, and there, Kubeshift is installed. I'm going to show you a quick demo. First, I should show you that I actually have a Kubernetes cluster running. You can see that there's no pods running. I'm going to go into the example code that I have. So first, importing Kubeshift. This is to just get the root directory, so just ignore that for now. Sorry, get the user, so ignore that. This is a example Kubernetes object. It's a pod. It uses a hello Nginx example, and here is the Kubeshift code. So first you get the user, then you get the configuration file, and then you plug that configuration file into the Kubeshift client. I specify Kubernetes, but you could specify OpenShift, for example, and it will work just like that. So switch back to Kubernetes. This will create the object, and then it will this will print all the pods which are available. So I'm going to go ahead and run this. There, it shows that a pod has been created. So if I do kubectl get pod, you could see that hello Apache is running. Well, the Nginx example. Go back into the example code. I could change this to delete, and I'll actually delete the pod. So I'll go ahead and run the code again. And do kubectl, and there you go. The pod is gone. You could view a list of all API functions on the GitHub repo, which is my username and then Kubeshift. And there's also other functionalities such as scaling and such. It's all in the README. Okay, thank you.